You're an incredibly busy person. You've got placements, you've got exams, you've got business decisions to make, no matter what type of person you are. I've got the solution for you to stay healthy, and it involves meal prep. So meal prep with me, check it out. Hey, what's up guys? It's Confessions of a Doctorholic with Hafsa, and today I've decided to show you exactly what I do for placement. So if you haven't checked out that video, check it out right now. I'm giving you basic tips and tricks if you're on a budget of how to start eating healthy. Now, the thing that thwarts people and stops you from eating healthy is an intense schedule. I've got an intense schedule during the week. I lose my appetite. I don't feel like eating. And I essentially follow the Blogilates calendar because you eat regularly, you speed up your metabolism. So this is what I do. I've got 6 meals in a day. I know the caloric intake based on the Blogilates calendar. So this is what I do. I'm prepping for tomorrow because I've got placement tomorrow. Now, first thing in the morning, I like having breakfast. It's great to have eggs, and on Blogilates you've got eggs. On my Center app, I've got some fancy recipes. I'm not always in the mood to do that. I hate doing dishes in the morning. It just drives me up a wall. I don't usually have time. I don't know why I don't have time, if I'm being completely honest, but I just run out of time. So this is what I love doing. If you haven't noticed, I have a beautiful NutriBullet over here. This is my life. I love it so much. It's been incredible. So basically what I would do is I make smoothies. There are some amazing smoothie recipes on Center, but I have my go-to easiest smoothie ever. I will put the ingredients in the description below, but basically what I do is I chuck in berries. So I've got some blueberries over here, and I've got some raspberries. Now, back in the day, I used to weigh it. Now I know how much I need by heart, so I'm not gonna weigh. So basically, you chuck in these berries in the smoothie. It's beautiful and it's frozen, which is incredible. So I'm just gonna chuck some berries in. This is the most basic smoothie recipe ever. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait for this to defrost. Okay, so I've got a few blueberries. I'm gonna chuck that in, and I have some flax seeds. Flax seeds are amazing for your health. I chuck in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. I know that by heart, so I'm just gonna chuck that in. And I've got some oats, and to be honest with you, it depends on the morning. Some mornings I feel more hungry, I would chuck in oats. Some mornings I would just leave it like that. Then you add water up to the mark, and you blend it in. Super easy. That's the first meal of the day. Now, second meal of the day, I need almonds and apples, and because I got used to the Blogilates calendar, my stomach gets hungry at specific times during the day. So I'm usually up at 5:30, 6 a.m. So my first meal is at 6 a.m., then it's at 9, and then it's at 12, and then it's at 3, 6, and 9, okay? So my next meal is about 9 to 10 a.m., all right? So I want an apple, sometimes I get peaches, and I get almonds. So I've got these plastic Tupperware containers. They are reusable. And literally the reason why I use these is because they do not leak, which is great. So I would chuck in 10 almonds and an apple in here. Okay, so I've got my 10 almonds and my apple. This is ready to go in my purse. So when I'm on placement, I honestly ask the doctors for a break so that I can consume this. That's meal number 2. Meal number 3, I haven't prepared it yet, but basically I went grocery shopping today and I am following some Center meals. So I'm just gonna scroll down. So for lunch, I've got the Mexican-inspired Buddha bowl. For dinner, I've got the salmon tacos. The next day, for dinner, I've got this beautiful pizza. And on the third day, I have the teriyaki glazed chicken sushi bowl. Now, I just have 3 dishes because basically I make a larger quantity of those 3 dishes and I will consume this over the entire week. So I would have 2 pizzas and I would have that on 2 different days. I could use the leftovers for lunch as well. And this is because I'm lazy. If you guys have more time, you can do more recipes, but I don't have the time nor the energy. I haven't meal prepped yet, but basically I'm gonna cook those. And once again, same deal as before. I literally get one of these Tupperware containers, I chuck it in. This is microwave safe, so it makes life super easy. I just chuck those. It's great for on call as well. My meals are prepped and I just chuck it in either this fridge or my bar fridge. I can eat it either on a break from placement or when I'm on call. Otherwise, when I'm home, I've got the meals that are prepped, so it doesn't take away from my study time. I just literally chuck it either in the oven or the microwave. I heat it up and it's good to go. Next, meal number 4. Once again, I'll make another smoothie. I'm basically mixing and matching between Blogilates and the Center app. So I will make a smoothie. So if I'm working out heaps, I will have protein powder. If I don't want the protein to turn into fat, so I would skip the protein. But I would literally grab anything. So I could grab, I've got some watermelon that I've cut up. So I could literally make some watermelon juice, and I think that's what I'm gonna make right now, because I'm craving some watermelon juice. I'm craving something fresh and tropical. So literally, once again, my beautiful Tupperware container. But basically, I would chuck this in the NutriBullet, blend it up, and that's my drink for the day. Then it's dinner, and usually I'm not hungry by the 6th meal, so that's all it is. I hope that helped. I don't know, do you want to see me prep food? If you do, comment below, let me know. Do you want to see me actually prepare and cook the food? But this is basically what I do. It's all in Tupperware containers. Hope this helps. You can do this for the entire week. Honestly, you do spend time on day 1, but then you've got it for the rest of the week. You're all good, okay? Let me know what you guys do, and I'll catch you next time.